Hello everyone, we're the Brain Cells, and today we will be explaining and thoroughly diving into the world of Arduino. By going through a series of projects, we will be completely explaining step by step how to assemble and how the code works for a certain project in this series. We have Sir Caleb Grimpula who will be assembling, and Sir Achazo to be our editor and videographer for these videos. And we have Sir Ace Canedo as our primal coder. And me, lastly, as your host and explainer for the code, Mr. Saigon. And without further ado, let's get started. The Brain Cells presents Project 9 Auto Live.
The list material for Arduino Project 9 is 5 pieces of jumper cable 1 piece of 5mm LED, 1 piece ambient light sensor, 2 piece of 220R resistor, and 1 piece of 1K resistor. The jumper cable is used for making connection between items on the breadboard, and the 5mm LED is a general purpose light emitting diode for its 5mm diameter, and the ambient sensor that used to gather information about an environment and interaction, and the resistors, the two-terminal electronic component that implement electrical resistance as a circuit element.
Hello everyone, my name is John Stephen D. Saigon, and today I'll be the one to teach you how the code in Project 9 works. Okay, so here's what this program does. First, we set up two variables. The LED is connected to pin 13, and that's the light we're going to control. We also made a variable called the val, which will hold the number coming from our light sensor. This number can go from 0 all the way up to 1023, depending on how much the light sensor sees. Next, in the setup part, we tell the Arduino that pin 13 is an output, meaning it can turn the LED on or off. And we also start the serial monitor at 9600 baud, so we can watch the sensor's values live on the computer. That way, as light changes in the room, we can actually see the numbers changing. And now, finally, in the loop section, the Arduino will keep checking the light sensor over and over. It reads the value from analog pin 0 and stores it in val. Then it prints that value so we can see it. So if the number is less than 1000, the LED turns off. But if the number is 1000 or higher, the LED switches on. So basically, the LED acts like an automatic light. It responds directly to how much light the sensor is picking up. There's also a tiny delay so the program runs smoothly.